Meaning of faecal.
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 Faecal. The term fecal is related to the feces or solid waste matter that is excreted from the body. It is typically used in a medical or scientific context to describe the characteristics of the fecal matter, such as consistency, color, and odor. The appearance and composition of fecal matter can provide valuable insight into the health of an individual's digestive system. For example, changes in the color or consistency of fecal matter can indicate the presence of certain diseases or conditions, such as inflammation or infection. Therefore, analyzing fecal matter is an important part of medical diagnostics.